This little bud has been riling everyone up since he got here. Lily in particular. Hi, Emilio. Apologize for the garbage lighting. It is probably close to 8 o'clock now. Lily, that's Emilio. It's not Loki. Loki is up here. Lily is very upset about the existence of Loki. Still. Ow, ow, quit biting my ear. Ow. Well, you think it's going to do you any good? And yeah, no, those are not gentle bites to my ear. He's latching onto the cartilage and pulling out for all he's worth with that nasty little hook tip of his beak. He's very proud of himself. Hey, buddy. He's too scared to outright fight other birds. Lily usually has him on the run, and heck, even Puddin' can chase him. He's all of 13 weeks old. Alright, look. You don't get to bite my face and stay on my shoulder. You need to go away. Nope. Sorry guys, I didn't mean to jar y'all like that. No. Your shoulder privileges have not been reinstated. Nope. Nope. No. You don't get to bite my face and stay on my shoulder. This is not difficult. Apparently asking the damn near impossible of Loki. Did you just now realize there was food? Probably. Hi, Cookie. Hi, Pippin. Hi, Puddin'. Yeah, I'm focused on you. You fit the most bastard in you. Ellie laid her second egg today. And Vinny has so far done a pretty good job of taking his turns for her. But as soon as he gets up, he has to go bother Emilio on his eggs. Heard you talking, kid. So, I don't think Loki knows any words other than the pigeon equivalent of smack talk. Every noise he makes just seems to absolutely infuriate Lily. And you're fine as long as you don't bite me, Loki. Hands are okay. Face is not. Lily's waiting on his chance. This boy has such a vehement vendetta. Things have mostly settled down for the rest of the loft. Everybody's got their box and their chill spot, and they're, for the most part, in them. Can you hear the little beeps? Rigby's feeding them right now. Oh, hi, Lily. Are you back? He is just glaring daggers at Loki. Yeah, I can't very well get any video of Loki when he's up there on my shoulder because I can't tell where the camera's pointing. I'd much prefer to not be seen myself. Hello, Lily. Sorry about that. There was a Lily on my camera hand. And now he's over here. Probably waiting to challenge us Loki, that I may or may not be pointed at. This is a very confused boy. He's on my shoulder, nodding and wing twitching at my face. In his weird pigeon way, he loves me very much. He just thinks love equals fight. You viciously fight the ones you love, right? That's what love means. Violence. Oh, hi, Puddin'. This boy. This boy. I love him so much. Oh, he wears my patience thin. Hello, Pippin. Ow. Hey, Loki, I am allowed to brush my hair behind my ear, bud. That's a thing I'm allowed to do. You can't stop me. Ow. Nobody, the owl will not stop me. I do what I want. No amount of owl will stop me, bud. Yep, you got Lily's attention. Hey, Puddin'. We'll just focus on Puddin' for a bit. Hi, Puddin'. Hey, girlie. Ow. No, you don't get to bite my face and stay on my shoulder. You need to go away. No. No. Puddin' took advantage of the chaos to steal my shoulder spot. I hear you talking, Jet. Oh no. Oh no. Oh lordy. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, you're still not allowed on my shoulder, you butt. No. 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 You don't get to keep your safe haven if you get up there and bite. That's fine. That's fine. Those are fine. Those cute little cordy bites, those are fine. You can do that. Yeah, I know. I love this boy. I love this boy. Love bites are much, much gentler and not generally speaking actually trying to hurt you. They're just trying to get you to go in a specific direction. Or stay still. This is apparently where my hand goes. Can you be up there without being a complete asshole? Oh, that pudding. Yeah, that sound is an extremely angry sound in pigeon. You don't actually come across pigeons bad enough tempered to make that sound very often. By pigeon standards, it's like an extremely vulgar curse word. You just don't say that shit. A pigeon huffing like that is literally spoiling for a fight. Did you swallow something stupid? Like a hair? I'm allowed to brush my hair behind my head. Show me your face. Loki, come here. Let me see your face. Come on. You're making uncomfortable faces. Let me see what's in your mouth. Let me see what's in your mouth. Come on, show me. Come on. Let me look. Let me look. It's not the end of the world, bud. It's not the end of the world, bud. You were doing some weird shit. Were you catching my hairs? Did you have one in your mouth? Lily, that's enough. Lily. That's enough, buddy. You can go after him when he's a bastard. You don't need to go after him for existing. Not his fault he exists. Gonna be not a bastard? Can you do that for like 2 seconds? We're asking a lot of Loki. But look at that. He did his best to go over there and not be a bastard. Hi, Lily. And Lily went over there to not immediately harass him. He's just going to yell at him from a distance. Which is fine. You can yell at him from a distance. I'm going to chill with Sammy and Puddin'. a pudding is the best thing to have during a quarantine situation. She's very kissy. Oops, sorry. Didn't mean to cover the camera there. My pudding. Oh, what a sweet kissy girl. I really hope I'm actually pointing the camera at you. Precious baby. No, here's hoping I was. Sun is long since gone down. And I'll be going in another 4 minutes or so. Isn't that pretty silk? Oh. You gonna finally give me an egg, Luxie? I'm excited for one of those. And Cody's just asleep in that box he picked out. And Luxie girl getting cozied down. Are Vinny or Ellie on their eggs? Vinny is not. Ellie probably is. Yep, there she is. There she is on them. There's a Rigby on hers. Such a good girl. Yep. It is nap time for Beebs. Now that this asshole has worn himself out. It's about freaking all day. Yeah, pudding. That's a sweetie. Oh, that's a sweetie preening my scalp. Look at that fine, handsome silk. You'll even hear the wild birds outside singing. Don't eat my hair. Quit trying to eat my hair. Don't fight my ear. You're a terrible influence. Anyway, folks, we're approaching the 20-minute mark. We're right about 19:10. So, let's go ahead and start the outro. Oh, it sounds like I'm about to be summoned. Yep. Hi.
Hey, Rudy.
Okay. I'll be in. Yeah, we're not doing an outro today. I'm tired. I will see you guys tomorrow with hopefully less chaos.